Welcome guys, today I have a great surprise for you. It's a oceanfront boutique hotel. Together we're gonna walk through these 5 bedrooms with bathrooms, ocean view property, 1 hour away from Managua, or maybe 1 hour and 20 minutes. From Granada, it's no more than 1 and 15 minutes away. This is a 2-story property with access, straight access to the beach with a beautiful view from Boquita Beach. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, give me those likes and let's go together and walk through this very interesting property. Let's go and see it. This is actually the outside area where you have the parking space, beautiful landscaping. They're using a lot of these shales coming from the beach, and right away you're gonna notice a 2-story building with some kind of columns right there. But let's go and see. One of the bedrooms is right here. Beautiful, just beautiful. The bed is right in the middle, and they frame it in a concrete structure with wood, and the lamps on the sides where you can put it right here. Nice. Imagine, this is a very romantic atmosphere. I love the way on the 2nd floor with on balcony right there, you catch the view from the ocean and the view from the restaurants of La Boquita. So when you come to La Boquita, one of the things you're gonna notice is that many houses on the edge of the cliff with stairs going down to the beach. The highest, obviously, more stairs. The lower, very easy, like this case. But from here, you can get that view from the ocean, which is nice. Then they thought about everything, how they set up the beds with this concept. This is very important, especially when you are here for the mosquitoes, you know. And look at how they designed a frame that swims like this. This is something different. And then the mezzanine above, where you have another bed, also catching the view. Right here, we have the bathroom. And the bathrooms, guys, is something completely different. A little bit funky, but in a good way. Look at this. This is actually the sand from the beach and some shells. They put it on the wall with some kind of cement to stick to it and then varnish it. They did it all over the wall. That's something I never saw before people can do, which is great. Check it out. That's the balcony. Long balcony right there. Your own chair, round table, a lot of windows. Your mezzanine right there, remember, it's a double story. And from here, you catch the views. You have enough space for your own privacy, divided by this hammock and that wall plant high ceiling. Definitely, guys, if you're looking at investments close to the beach or on the beach for a small boutique hotel, this is an option. Walking distance from the area where the restaurants are is only 5 or 6 minutes, easy. And the view from here, guys, I'm telling you, really nice. Rocks line, ocean, surfing beach, a good catch of the day. Actually, you can get the catch of the day if you go to the restaurants, and you can get a good red snapper, lobsters, or shrimps. Let's go and see it. Now walking to the 2nd terrace. You have one on the 2nd floor, and now we are at the 1st floor, where every apartment has direct access to the balcony and the view. Hammocks, great breeze, and these are the stairs that take you directly to the beach side, which is beautiful. You're gonna notice some nice rocks lines, little lagoons, and again, the access to the walk-in beach, which is nice. Another section here, you have the bar, restaurants, laundry, 3 storage rooms, 2 septic systems, 2 water tanks. Actually, they have 4,500 liters of water, plus the city water that comes every 3 or 4 days. Roads in excellent condition all the time. Internet, you're gonna see a huge tower and antennas to catch the internet. So if you are in your vacations and you don't wanna lose the work and you need to do some emails, no problem, you have that already. The house itself is gonna be sold completely furnished. I'm exploring a little bit one of the rooms that is in the first floor. It actually looks and it feels like a studio. You can easily fit, accommodate like 5 people here. You have the master bed right there with separation of the screen. Also, you have an extra room right here with double bed. Everything has access to the ocean view from here. You have a small kitchenette, especially when you're gonna planning to spend more time on the beach, like the full weekend, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So you're probably gonna have your own space here for doing cooking, extra for your table right here, and a big bathrooms, nice, blue colors, sink, and everything's just right there. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this episode today. 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗢 and I, we walk together and understand more and learn about this great oceanfront opportunity, especially if you've been searching close to Managua, close to Granada, and not too far away from San Juan del Sur. Here you are, Boquita Beach in Nicaragua. Thank you for watching. This house is going to be very soon in almost social media. If you say, Carlos, I want to make an offer, send you an email. There you go, my email and my WhatsApp, and I'm gonna be very happy to talk to you how you can make an offer for this place. Thank you for watching. See you in the next adventure, and don't forget, give me those likes and subscribe to the channel to continue searching more properties like this one.